In this video, we are going to see all the adjustments for provision for bad and doubtful debts under final accounts for the CA Foundation exam. If you're new to the video, do subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Let's start with the video. The first case which they have given is inside the trial balance, bad debts is 20,000, provision for bad and doubtful debts is 30,000, and debtors the amount is 8,60,000. And in the adjustment they've given further bad debts as 10,000 and provision on bad and doubtful debts which is 5% on debtors. Here this adjustment is a very important adjustment for your CA Foundation exam. Now a very important point to note is that whenever they've given an adjustment for provision on bad and doubtful debts, which is 5% on debtors, you'll always have to check the trial balance whether there is an opening provision. And here there is an opening provision for bad and doubtful debts, which is 30,000. So when there is an opening provision in the trial balance, you should always open an provision for bad and doubtful debts ledger. This ledger will help you to solve the sum and it's very easy to do it. Now, provision for bad and doubtful debts is a liability account. So, the opening balance will always be in credit side. So, this inside the trial balance is your opening balance and this which you have to make on debtors will be your closing balance because you're making the balance sheet for the year end. So, this would be your closing balance. So, the opening balance is 30,000. So, here you write 30,000. Now, the closing balance will be the opposite of credit, which is debit, and it will come to balance carried down, and the amount you'll have to find out using the balance sheet. This question affects two parts. One, it affects your P&L account, and another, it affects your balance sheet. So, in the balance sheet, in the asset side, you write debtors, and the value is 8,60,000, and you have to add any further bad debts which is 10,000. You should only add the further bad debts which is given in the adjustment and not the bad debts which is given inside the trial balance. So further bad debts, here 10,000 when you add, you get 8,70,000. And for this 8,70,000, you have to find 5% which is 43,500 and the remaining amount would be the debtors amount for the year end. It is very important that you find 5% of 8,70,000 and not 8,60,000. So 43,500 over here is your closing provision and under to balance carried down you put 43,500 as your closing amount. Now there will be bad debts which have to come under the provision for bad and doubtful debts account. So bad debts inside the trial balance is 20,000 and the further bad debts for the firm is 10,000. So when you add both, you get 30,000 which should be debited. The entry for this would be provision for bad and doubtful debts account debit to bad debts. And you have to take the value inside the trial balance as well the outside the trial balance, and when you add you get 30,000. Now totaling the debit side you get 73,500, same in the credit side, and when you minus it with the opening balance 30,000, you get the value of 43,500. This 43,500 you'll have to charge it in your P&L account. So under P&L account, in the debit side you put two provision for bad and doubtful debts and the amount would be 43,500, and in the balance sheet your debtors final amount would be 8,70,000 minus 43,500 which is 8,26,500. By this the adjustment for this question is over. So in short, I'll explain that when there's a provision on bad and doubtful debts in the adjustment and in the trial balance when you find an opening balance for provision for bad and doubtful debts, you have to always open a account for that. And the ledger, you put buy balance brought down as it's a liability and the same to balance carried down which is the closing balance which you find in the balance sheet, and in the balance sheet you put the debtors amount. Any further bad debts in the adjustment, if it's there, you'll have to add it And if it's not there, you can just directly find the 5% of 8,60,000. And after finding the provision, this 43,500 would be a closing balance, which you would put in the ledger, and you have to put bad debts amount, which is your bad debts in the trial balance, plus the bad debts which is outside the trial balance, and when you add up you get 30,000, and the balancing amount 43,500 will be your P&L, which is to be charged and it should be debited. If in case the balancing figure comes to the debit side, it would come to P&L and it should be credited in the P&L account. In the second case, the question says inside the trial balance they've given the debtors balance, which is 1 lakh, and bad debts, which amounts to 10,000. And in the adjustment column, they've given provision on bad and doubtful debts, which is 5% on debtors, and further bad debts as 4,000. In this case, we do not have to prepare any ledger. That's because there is no opening provision which is inside the trial balance. In the previous sum, there was an opening provision which was provided inside the trial balance, so we had to make a ledger. But in this sum, it's simple. There's no ledger needed, and directly you can post the answer in your P&L and your balance sheet. Now, in the balance sheet, you'll put the debtors amount, which is 1 lakh. And then you'll have to check the question whether there is any further bad debts. And here, there's further bad debts, which is 4,000. So you'll have to add that further bad debts, 4,000, which will give you 1 lakh 4,000. Now, for this 1 lakh 4,000, you'll have to put 5%, which is your provision, and that gives you 5,200. So the total amount after all the adjustments will give you 98,800, which is the total debtors for the year end. So now, as we don't have to prepare any ledger, we'll have to charge this provision in P&L, in the debit side. And any bad debts inside, which is 10,000, we'll have to charge that too in the P&L. And also the further bad debts, we'll have to charge in the P&L. So in the P&L, it will come to bad debts 10,000, to further bad debts 4,000, and to provision 5,200. If in case there was a provision inside for some amount, then you'll have to prepare a ledger and put the closing provision, the opening provision, and bad debts plus further bad debts, and find the balancing amount and charge that in the P&L. Now, the last case for this adjustment is in the trial balance, they've given the debtors amount, which is 1 lakh, and the provision for discount on debtors. Here there's a new term which is discount on debtors, and that is 1,000. And in the adjustment, they've given provision for bad and doubtful debts, which is 5% on debtors, further bad debts, which is 5,000 rupees, and provision for discount on debtors for 2%. Here, just like the case 1, there is a closing provision for discount on debtors, and there's also an opening provision in the trial balance for discount on debtors. So, just like for provision for bad and doubtful debts, here also you'll open a ledger. So, provision for discount on debtors is a liability. So, the opening balance would be credit balance, which is 1,000 from the trial balance. Now, the closing balance, which will be opposite of the credit side, you'll have to find that amount. So, in balance sheet, you'll put the debtors amount, which is 1 lakh, and always remember, first you'll put the adjustment for provision for bad and doubtful debts, and then you'll make for provision for discount on debtors. So, always for provision for bad and doubtful debts, first priority will be given. So, you'll have to search for any further bad debts, and here there's further bad debts of 5,000. So, you'll have to add that with the debtors, and you'll get the total of 1,05,000. Now, for this 1,05,000, you'll make a provision which is 5%, and you'll get 5,250, and the amount after that would be 99,750. Now, looking in the trial balance again, there is no provision for bad and doubtful debts, the opening balance. So, there's no need to prepare a ledger. So, this provision you'll directly charge in the P&L as 5,250, and the further bad debts also should be charged in the P&L for 5,000. Now, after minusing the provision for bad and doubtful debts, the amount 99,750, for this amount, you'll have to prepare 2% discount on debtors. So 2% of this will give you 1995, and the debtor's remaining value in the year end is 97,755. So this is the closing balance 1,995, which should be coming here as two balance carried down 1,995, and here there is no discount, any other discount which is given in the trial balance. So I have to balance this, and the total of debit is greater than credit. So when balancing, you get 995, which should be charged in the P&L account. So in the P&L account, you put to provision on discount for debtors 1995. I'm sorry, here there was a mistake. The amount for provision on discount on debtors to be charged in P&L would be 995 and not 1995. Because here the balancing amount is 995 in the ledger, so that would be transferred in the P&L account as 995. By this, all the adjustment for provision for bad and doubtful debts and the discount is over. Thank you so much for watching the video.